I want to show you how to do two things on a vintage Singer 66 sewing machine. This one is a treadle machine, but you might perhaps have something similar that has actually had a motor added. If you want to wind on the bobbin, then get a Singer metal bobbin like I have and identify the smallest of the four holes on the bobbin. And I'm pointing here to the point on the Singer machine where there's a little notch, and you can see me here sliding it into place to put the bobbin in position, and it just moves a little further towards the wheel of the machine and slots into place like that. And unless it does that, you don't have the right bobbin and it won't wind up. Put your thread, make sure it's coming out of the top of the bobbin as you see there. Put your thread through those two prongs of that fork, if you like, and through the next hook. And you only need to have your thread going through the first hook on the far left, as you can see there. You can just see me adding some oil. Now I added too much oil, and that's why you see me cleaning it all off the wheel, because the bobbin winder works, because the little rubber wheel that you see me rubbing there connects with the drive wheel. Of course, I'd put too much oil on it, so it wasn't working. Next, I want to show you how to adjust the stitch length on a machine like this. Now, as I say, this is a treadle machine, but this version of the Singer 66, with this knob, you will often find them with motor added, and the same applies. Turn it anti-clockwise as much as you can before it falls out. You can see the thread appearing, and you will end up with the smaller stitch. Turn it to the extreme clockwise position, and you'll end up with the longer stitch. This is the longer stitch, and that's with the knob turned clockwise as far as you can go. That stitch is about 3/16 of an inch or 4¾ millimeters long. Move that knob until it's completely unwound as far as you dare go, and you'll end up with an absolutely tiny stitch. You can barely see it. You can see me unwinding the stitch length adjustment knob now, and once it's the furthest anti-clockwise that you can go, you can see how far the thread is showing there, and that will give you the shortest stitch length. And now I will just show you the different lengths in millimeters and inches. So the stitch at the very top, which I've just called tiny because it's so small I couldn't measure it, that's achieved by turning the stitch length adjustment knob anti-clockwise as far as you can go, as you saw me doing. And then the other stitches in the middle there, 16th of an inch, which is about 1.57 millimeters, or an eighth of an inch, which is about 3.18 millimeters, if you turn a couple of turns the other way. And then if you tighten up as far as you can go without forcing it to the clockwise position so that you can't go any further, that is 3/16 of an inch or 4¾ of a millimeter. Hope you found this useful. and I hope this has helped you to get used to using your Singer 66 sewing machine.